Hello everyone, welcome to this video on continuity and differentiability for class 12th. My name is Mrityunjay Yadav and today we will learn these important topics from basic to advanced level. By the end of the video, you will able to solve even IIT JEE questions. So let's start. Before start today's topic, let me ask you a very simple question. Have you ever drawn a curve without lifting your pen? If yes, then you have already experienced the idea of continuity. So today we are going to study an important concept called continuity of a function. So please open your notebook and write the topic continuity of a function. Mathematically, say a function on fx is continuous at x equal to a if first condition fa is defined, fa should be defined, and second, limit x approaches to a fx should exist, and third point, limit x approaches to a fx should be equal to fa. If all these three conditions is satisfied, then only a function fx is continuous. Otherwise, function is discontinuous. Let's take an example. Suppose we have a function fx equal to x square. We have to check here that function is continuous or not, continuous at x equal to a or not. So first what we will do, we will find the value of f2. So what will the value of f2? This will be 2 square of 2, this will become 4. Then we will find the limit. Second is limit x tends to 2 fx. So what is fx here? fx is x square. So limit x tends to 2 of x square. We put here in the place of x we put 2. This will become square of 2 and this will become 4. So here limit x tends to 2 fx is equal to f2. So it is continuous. It is continuous function. Clear? Okay.